You know what? In olden days, Vastu was only meant for the affluent class, like administrators, kings, queens, for building cities, towns, palaces, temples, etc. So that there is perfect balance of energy and abundance all around. The best example of Vastu science is the palace of Pandavas in Indraprastha. Lord Krishna called Vishwakarma to build the beautiful palace of Indraprastha, in which he directed Vishwakarma to build the palace in such a way which paves way to Mahabharata war, and that did happen. Vastu was never meant for common man, but over a period of time that got percolated to common man too. I feel people who want to go that extra mile, who want to achieve something in life, if they take the aid of Vastu, their journey becomes much easier and faster. Because Vastu is nothing but balancing of energies to achieve everything in life. Thank you.